March marks the beginning of spring in the UK, and it's a great time to start planting a variety of crops and flowers as the weather begins to warm up. But be cautious, there is still a chance of sudden and unexpected cold snaps. But if conditions are suitable, here are some plants and tasks for planting in the UK in March. Early potatoes. March is the ideal time to plant early potato varieties. Prepare well-drained soil and make sure it's not too wet or cold. Onion sets and shallots. If you haven't planted onion sets and shallots in previous months, there is plenty of time in March to do so. They will establish roots and grow during the spring and summer. Broad beans. Broad beans can be sown directly into the ground in March. Choose a sunny and well-drained position. Peas. Early varieties of peas can be sown outdoors in March. Pea shoots are also great in salads. Carrots. Early carrot varieties can be sown in March, especially if you have a greenhouse or polytunnel to protect them from cold and frost. Lettuce and other salad greens. You can start sowing lettuce, spinach, rocket and other salad greens both indoors and outdoors. Radishes. Radishes are a fast-growing crop that can be sown directly in the ground. Spring onions. Start sowing spring onions in March for a continuous supply of this versatile vegetable. Herbs. Begin planting herbs such as chives, parsley and mint. These can be sown in pots, containers or directly in the garden. Perennials. March is a good time for planting perennial flowers, shrubs and ornamental grasses. Be sure to prepare the soil well. Summer flowering bulbs. If you want to enjoy summer blooms, you can plant bulbs like gladioli and lilies in March. Ornamental trees and shrubs. Plant ornamental trees and shrubs while the weather is still cool, allowing them to establish strong root systems before the warmer months. Indoor seed sowing. Continue, or if you're like me, begin sowing seeds indoors for plants that require a longer growing season, such as tomatoes, peppers and aubergines. Pruning. Finish any necessary pruning of deciduous trees and shrubs before they start to bud and grow. General garden maintenance. This is an excellent time to clean and organise your garden tools and equipment and to perform any necessary repairs. Remember to consider your local climate and weather conditions as they can vary across the UK. Protect tender plants from late frost and continue monitoring weather forecasts. Proper soil preparation, mulching and regular watering will help ensure the success of your spring plantings. If you are at all in doubt about the weather conditions, err on the side of caution and delay planting out until you are certain all threat of frost has gone.